Welcome to DK Schoolhouse, a place where children discover, learn, and grow in a nurturing international environment. At DK Schoolhouse, we believe that every child is unique. Our preschool and primary programs are designed to inspire curiosity, creativity, and confidence. With experienced and passionate educators from around the world, we provide personalized attention to each child, ensuring they feel supported every step of the way. Our program combines arts, robotics, and interactive lessons to help students develop the skills they need to thrive in a global world. At DK Schoolhouse, we prioritize communication with families, creating strong partnerships that help each child thrive. Our classrooms are equipped with modern technology, giving students the tools they need to excel in the digital age. At our school, learning goes beyond the classroom. Our exciting field trips offer unforgettable experiences that bring education to life. Contact us today to schedule a tour. DK Schoolhouse, your child's second family.